28.
Alrighty, mate.
Cooking level 26. Unlocks the grill.
Oh god, grill.
Sure, unlocked. Grill. Conjure water.
No. The magic, the major armor doesn't actually increase my damage.
It's just defenses.
Yeah, defense and like stamina. Oh, yeah, no. Oh my god.
Hey.
I'm looking at you. Hey. No,
This video public? That's crazy.
huh?
You make this video public?
Maybe.
Your YouTube career?
Mm-hmm.
Bearing Cat?
Mm-hmm.
Or what? Is the channel called Bear or Bow?
Bow.
Debbie.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
Is that me?
Should we change it?
What am I? What am I?
Bow.
No, the answer is no, you shouldn't change it.
That's cute. You're so cute. No.
It was like,
I
I
upgrade my
was trying to
armor.
figure out what over here. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm trying to figure out how to get the foundations to work to like make it look a little more put together maybe, but it's really hard to like make it look natural.
Yeah, there's not floating.
Like a second like foundation, so it's like stable, but kind of weird. Maybe if I were to like build just beams.
Yeah.
Oh, a thick beam.
Yeah.
A thick.
How do I unlock this freaking wizard armor?
I do not know, to be honest with you.
Should I switch to melee? Oh, need my police.
Right, I put some like stone. Oh, sorry, I put some like wood pillars, so it looks a little bit better, I think.
Nice. I see. Yeah. Not floating.
It's like it's not not floating, yeah, at least.
That's good.
What is next? More quests? Let's just do some quests. I think we haven't done a lot of questing.
The old man.
Where's old man? Bramblemead Village.
Are you going over there?
Go over there. Can we get around this? Nope, the goblins can't, but we can. That's cool. We haven't been attacked by anything but goblins yet.
A dragon. Dragons.
Oh. Rue, I forgot about the dragon. We haven't been like raided by anything but goblins yet.
Yeah.
Oh, that's damage from that?
Jump boost.
Yes. Hello.
Oh, we get a reward.
Airlander and clay. Okay.
What? That's it? That's it, old man?
What are these like blue markings on the map? Those caves?
What is it?
The blue, like when you open the map, there's like blue symbol with like it's like a gate
Jail?
almost.
Oh, those are the
Is that a cave?
dungeons.
Those are the what?
Dungeons?
Those are the dungeons? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Recruited, defeat General Velgar.
Which one's that?
Orange Hell. Where is that? Oh. Is that in the middle of the fractured plains? You see the big circle?
Yeah.
Is that what that is?
I think that's the Dragon Slayer quest.
We're just here already? That was fast. Realize.
No.
Oh.
You what?
I wish I could get hacker in 99.
What are we doing?
Because I see hackers.
Want to do Goblin Diplomacy?
Yeah.
Every single team.
Do that first.
There's one. That their team has one hacker.
Oh.
I want to ride a horse.
The owner of the game will ban me.
Yeah, they will ban you. From cheating.
Because I'm cheating.
Yeah.
Like, hit me? Fuck. What the hell? Oh, wow. I have milky. Ooh, purple. That's so mean. You can throw it on the floor. All these stones. Ooh, friendly fire enabled. I need to go back to the freaking base eventually. I have 50 potatoes. What the hell?
Hi.
Oh, remember that? I found an amulet and I'm talking to this goblin NPC. Bandos. Bandos.
Okay.
It's only half of the magic though. Where do you find the other half? Investigate the ruins northeast of
The northeast. So,
straight ahead.
northeast?
Oh, it's like right there. Like right here.
I'm good. I had no concern. I knew I was fine.
Yeah. Yeah, baka.
Baka.
Wow. I think I found it. Relinquilary. La, 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 la.
Did you?
Has been opened and removed. Oh. Search the amulet filled with mud and stagnant swamp water. Let's go to the swamp? Aye. Let's go to the swamp, girl. Ow. Great,
Into
how
the
was this
swamp?
find this now?
Go down there somehow?
I was probably like in the middle.
I think we can probably fall down right
Yeah.
here.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm gonna fall right
took 1
here.
damage.
Took a little bit of damage, yeah.
It's probably somewhere in these rooms.
Nice.
Oh, I found a chest. A swamp dog. Oh, this place looks satisfying. What did they say?
What?
Probably this is like the place we're looking for.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Or not.
Pack. What if I open the goblin pack to see if there's anything in them? There's never anything in
Search for
them,
the amulet
but
place. The amulet piece in an area filled with mud and stagnant swamp water.
mud and stagnant swamp water.
What in the world, bro?
Wow. The little octopi. Aww. Aww. So cute. I take it. I don't want to drop it and lose it. That's so nice. You would like octopi. Octopi. Right, where would stagnant swamp water be?
Maybe we have to go.
Huh? Smells like Shelby, is that good? Well, there's a lot of swamp water. Where are we supposed to begin?
I don't know. Too much swamp water. I don't think we've been over here. Look at a trail. This way. I've never seen this.
This is where the cave is. I think we did this cave before.
Yeah.
Oh, do you think that's where it is, maybe?
No. No. I think we're just like looking for like a ruins or something. Oh, swamp tar. Oh. I think we're looking for like a named enemy or something. Oh shoot, we're about to reach the end.
What if it's the Abyssal Demon?
Oh, I think so. Bro, what? We should try to fight him.
Where are we?
On the other side.
Oh. Whoops.
Yeah. Alright, let's...
Yeah, I want to open my bull block. Huh?
wish I had boba. Try getting boba Monday when the freaking boba shops close on Mondays.
Heck.
I don't know why. Africa. Waka waka. Found the Whispering Cape recipe.
Ionia. Bone.
Just a demon. Back where we started. It's getting dark, man. Oh! The Abyssal Demon.
Where is the demon?
No, I feel like the quest item's this way anyways. Play game.
Bruh.
Yeah, it looks fun.
Being hunted
Shit.
or something.
Gobelinos.
Those? Okay. I'm going back because I'm out of space.
Okay, let's go back. I need sustenance. Sustenance, bro. Sustenance.
Gone. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with 15 minutes away? Oh. Okay. Tomatoes. I don't think we have tomatoes growing yet. That's new.
Nice.
Had some other seeds like Erlander seeds.
Bailando.
Bailando. Cantando. Bailando, cantando. Da, 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 da.
Oh my god, I almost lost.
What did you say? You have someone from high school who was being homophobic towards you? Oh. Now he's trying to. Oh. I don't know. It's kind of like karma, no? In a way.
What?
No, I'm just listening to this story Marcus is telling me.
Oh.
Give me the tea. Oh wow,
What's
did
that?
you just water them all? Oh no, it's wet. I mean, it's raining.
No,
It's wet.
no, my mate. No, my mate. That was not me, bruv.
I knew. Going crazy, I'm sorry. I have a small chest. Wait, why can't I make this? Oh, I need swamp tar.
Oh. What if
Wait, we don't have any swamp tar? Seriously don't have any swamp tar? I'm gonna...
There's swamp
I'm going to
tar.
lose my marbles!
Now there's swamp tar.
Too late. I already built like 8 of the regular chests. Think can be done. More food. Tarzan? Fuck me like a gorilla.
What?
Like Tarzan, from... What's that one group called? All Day Project?
I don't know.
I need to make steak? Oh, okay. So if you make a Dwellberry infusion, it lowers your thirst or drain.
Oh, nice.
Mm, yeah. Yeah. Like, yeah.
Yeah. She. Oh,
Taking a nap.
this morning.
Oh, whoops.
Oh, I just woke up.
Damn.
Arigato.
Oh, don't. Hey, yeah. Here we go.
I'm gonna go to
Oh,
Ionia.
Okay.
Oh, we need to do this quest though.
Yeah, let's go do that. Oh, where is it?
I wanna say it's like on this side.
Okay. Mm.
This way, brother.
Milk tea.
Oh. Naughty.
More like prepare my couple things that I need. I like 2 things. Prepare.
Oh, I see the Abyssal Demon. I think.
Do you?
Ah, damn
Where
it.
is she?
Oh, shoot. The Abyssal Demon's northwest. Abyssal Demon.
Oh, I see it.
Going deeper. Going deeper and deeper, mate. Is there a Goblin Quest over here too? I hope so. What if we cheese this boss? Somewhere it can't hit us.
Where is he?
He's northeast.
I see him. Try and lure him to you.
Oh. Yes. I'm like right behind you.
Oh, jeez. I forgot he did that.
Sheesh Louises! Guacamole! We're taking a lot of damage. I should probably heal. Watch out!
Oh, much easier than last time.
Yeah. What do we get?
We got Monstrous Fang,
I got
Abyssal Spine,
Ash.
and Abyssal Ashes.
Abyssal?
Abyssal? You pick it up?
Yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure. I hope you get recipes if you pick it up.
I didn't.
You didn't?
Did you?
I just got like the new material unlocked thing.
Yeah, I got that. So.
Okay.
Search for the other amulet piece in an area filled with mud and stagnant swamp water. What?
Like this area?
I hope so, yeah. I don't know how we're supposed to find it.
Seems like the perfect area, no?
I don't know. We went through the whole swamp already.
Filled with mud.
What am I looking
Ooh, I
for?
found a little hole.
Not a hole.
Oh, the chest is empty. Did you find a little cave? Oh, you did.
Yeah.
You found a little cave with mushrooms and a
I
chest.
found another cave.
Oh. Like, wow, I
The
found
same
something.
thing. Just a cave with mushrooms.
Look it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bailando.
Skip Dragonwild.
No.
How to get other half of the amulet.
Bandos. Bandos amulet.
Find the cave in the northeast corner. Defeat the level 3 druid inside.
Northeast corner.
Of the swamp.
Okay. No.
More swamp tar. So I can find, basically.
Hello, is there a druid in here? No. I'm close. Close but no cigar.
Found another cave. And thing in it.
I might have just been in that one.
Yeah, I think so. It's empty.
I don't see anything. I don't see anything. Like northeast? Are we on the wrong side?
Northeast. Yeah.
Ah, shoot. I'm on northwest.
Yeah.
Northwest.
I thought you said west.
Yeah, then. Why is there no movement spells in this game yet? Oh.
Just jump.
Jump and freaking slow dash. Oh my god, I'm poisoned. Turbo.
Found a lore book.
Is poison gonna kill me?
Rocktober 1466.
That's when I was born.
Driver fell first. Found something.
Okay, I found you.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hey. What am I getting shot by?
Whoa. 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 Oh.
I heard that.
That's weird.
I did hear that, yeah.
There's someone breaking in the house.
I think so, yeah. It's like someone knocking at a door.
Thunder. I think I've been in before. Alright, there should be a cave around here somewhere. Or the druid.
The internet is telling me anyways.
Yeah.
Two goblins behind me, suddenly. Found something. Oh, I think I might have found it.
Is there a druid in there? Druid.
Thing in there, yeah. Yeah, there's a druid in here.
Druid.
I found it. Alright. Don't know how you're supposed to figure this out, but it's kind of cool.
Just gotta keep running around. Bro.
I'll wait for you. I haven't started combat yet.
Oh, I see the cave. Oh, that's a nice cave. We missed it? Jeez.
Reminds me of like a WoW cave a little bit.
Yeah. I do feel like I'm playing
I shoot him in the back of the head.
Oh my god. It's a goblin druid or the Maru?
Garo.
Oh, Maru.
Aru? I'm not really sure about it.
Yes, we did it!
Swamp time. And over here.
Good
Around somewhere.
fun.
Oh,
Tap our home?
what is this? What is this orb?
I don't know.
Does it not work on your phone? You want me to try buying it on the app? What game? Oh, Steam is down? Damn. I'm on Steam right now. Could just be the store. Follow you.
Oh, we were so close to it. Oh. So close, so far.
Follow you.
Audio cooked again.
Dang, that's annoying. Fungi? Oh shit.
Carrots.
Like it's our base.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna turn this. Oh wait, yeah. The quest terminal is above us.
Where is it?
To our left on this hill to my left.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, a chesticle! Wow, it's so cool. Oh, she better give us like a ting. Like a goblin gun. Here, take these.
Got a Goblin War Banner. Huh, what is that?
Goblin War Banner.
Oh.
Oh my freaking god, brother.
Cape. But it's the same as my other cape, it's just decorative.
Nice.
I think I like the regular one better. Ah. Ooh.
I don't really make anything with this newfound ting, you
Oh,
know,
I see.
man? You know, fam.
I... You know what? I like my cape. You like the little flowers I put in your windowsill?
I do. I like it. Thank you. Thank you.
Dun, 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 dun.